Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a haul video from Mr. DIY, not sponsored for sure. I have this box and I have two such boxes and I have a huge bag which has been in my room for the longest time. So I'm going to show you guys whatever I got so that I can start using all this stuff. Would also like to mention that I live in, and I'm not trying to brag about this, but I live in South Mumbai and ये area के आसपास there is no Mr. DIY. So whenever I get a chance and I go to the suburbs, I make sure I go to Mr. DIY and shop a lot from there because simply because there is a huge price difference in the products that you get and the quality is really nice. So it's a win-win. So mostly whatever I have bought is for the house and थोड़ी सी चीज़ें मैंने मतलब इधर उधर I've got for myself, but Mr. DIY is more for like stationery and house stuff. So let's go. Now I have got these very cute cups. They're so cute and aesthetic and मुझे तो चाय पीना बहुत पसंद है. Like I'm a chai paglu, so I got like 6 of these. And you know, as far as I remember, on this it says it's for 90 rupees, but I'm pretty sure it was for like 40 or 45 rupees. The good thing about Mr. DIY is कि जो price इधर लिखा रहता है, which is also very reasonable, उस पर भी डिस्काउंट रहता है. So it's a lot of fun. So I got like 6 of these I think, and I got them also in blue. So this whole box has a lot of things that are made of glass. Pink jug. This is not for me. This is for my best friend. She likes painting a lot and she can constantly pour water into those bowls in which she mixes the paints. She wanted something like that, so I got that for her. Now, obviously, I'm not going to tell you all the price of this because it's for someone else. Is these bottles, and there is one more somewhere else. But now you all must be thinking why she's so excited about these bottles. These bottles, ये bottles बने हैं from glass. Like they might look like they're made out of plastic, but they're not. Let me show you guys. So it's made out of glass and it's just for 50 rupees. Can you imagine a proper good glass bottle only for 50 rupees? I think that's a steal. The reason मैं इतना खुश हो रही हूँ and I'm emphasizing on this is that I checked for glass bottles on Blinkit and 90% of the times they're not there, and whenever they're there, they're for like 400-500 rupees. So 50 rupees for one. I got like 3 to 4 of them, and it's said that it's healthier to drink water out of glass bottles than plastic bottles. So I'm really trying to like practice that. So I've got like 4 of these, and hopefully I will throw away a lot of plastic first and then start using it. Packing everything back and putting it inside because I shopped all this I think last weekend, and my mom hasn't seen any of this and I've got it for the house. So I'm very excited because tomorrow she'll get to see all of this. So this is the second box and I think this has bowls and glasses, but मुझे याद नहीं है. Don't you want to say hi? YouTube वरती video shoot करते हो अपन. Okay. This video is not sponsored, but I have collaborated 2 years ago with Mr. DIY and it was nice. I feel like Mr. DIY का जो भी सामान है, it is really worth it, and I really hope Mr. DIY are open in South Mumbai because we also deserve good things, no? So yeah, okay. So far there are glasses, but I do remember buying bowls because I needed bowls. So now I want to tell you all something. It says 75 rupees for one glass, and I think I got like, there are more cups in this also. So yeah, I think I got like more than 6 glasses, But even though it says 75 rupees on it, I'm pretty sure it was cheaper than that. These glasses I got and they're very nice. And I can give them to my guests filled with water or Coke, since everyone drinks Coke. And glasses together. So I'm going to keep this back. One more bag, so we're going to open that. So my mom does not like shopping. Okay, मेरी मम्मी को शॉपिंग बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, इसलिए मैं इतनी बड़ी शॉपaholic बन चुकी हूँ. More so cause she doesn't go shopping, and then sometimes we don't have the basic stuff like glasses and just like, you know, regular stuff. So I go ham whenever I get a chance to buy home stuff. This random thing I've got. I think my cats will like to play with this. Dusting कितना होगा इसमें से पता नहीं. I also got it because of the color. I am that person. मुझे अगर कुछ एकदम ऐसा colorful और सुंदर दिखता है तो I just buy it. This pan, you guys. You know, when I saw it, it was for 1,000 rupees. But when I was doing the billing, it was 500 rupees. So can you imagine that? मतलब South Mumbai में ऐसा रेट का तुम्हें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So looking forward to making dosa on this. I hope I can, but कोई ना कोई तो बना ही लेगा मेरे घर पे डोसा इसमें. This my mom insisted on me buying. I'm very excited about this. I love dosa. 5 a.m. सुबह के 5 बज रहे हैं और I promised myself I wouldn't use any of this until I shoot the haul videos. So I'm doing that. I'm keeping my word to myself. And I had promised people that I would post on YouTube, so I'm doing that. So this is basically an ice tray, and I really like this shape. And it's made out of silicone, so you don't have to do that. Like the ice trays that I have in my house, in my fridge, are like hard, and you have to like go clack clack, and I don't know, man, it's tough. But this, it'll make it very easy because it's made out of silicone, so it's just gonna pop right out. So yeah, excited. I also love the shape. Very cute. I love cute things. I'm also a cute thing. Next up we have this. I don't know how Mr. DIY sells and makes or imports all these things, and they're so reasonable. For a minute I thought this was 322 rupees, but it's just for 32 rupees and it's so cute. Itna cute hai yaar ye. It's a pen stand, but you can put makeup brushes in it or cutlery in it. It's very cute. I love it. And I only got it because I like the color yellow a lot. And yeah, it's cute, so I got it. Next thing, this I got for myself. And there are like so many rubber bands. This I opened, obviously. I lose rubber bands every single day. And there are more. And this was again for like 53 rupees. How is it happening? How are you all selling so many things that too at such a reasonable price, Mr. DIY? I'm impressed. I've always been. Now, I also got these bowls. These are made from, I don't remember what the material is called. Oh, but it says not suitable for microwave. I thought this was. Regardless, it's a very pretty bowl, and something like this in South Mumbai would at least, South Mumbai or even Bandra would cost at least 400 rupees, because I have bought stuff like this for 400 rupees. And however, the difference between this and that was that was made out of glass, like proper glass. This is like plastic but looks like glass. So love the design. It says 150, but I'm pretty sure ये 80 and 90 का होगा. Because I think I was shocked when he said it was for 90 rupees, so I went and got like 1-2 more. Also got a bunch of these cups. Oops, would have broken them. So these are also like 50 rupees for one. But Mr. DIY usually has a sale even on the regular stuff, so I'm pretty sure it's cheaper than that. I hope I can use this in the microwave because ispe nahi likha hai that you can't. So yeah, got bunch of bowls because I didn't have many bowls in my house. Dog bowls I have many, cat bowls I have even more, but human bowls not really. Then I got this. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, I got this and I don't know what this is called, but what is it? Is it a spoon? Spatula. यही होता है जब आप वीडियो सुबह 5 बजे शूट करते हो, तब थोड़ा कम चलता है. Yeah, pretty good. Meant for the dosa. This is a dustbin, and this dustbin is filled with a lot of stuff and can be used anywhere. Got a photo frame. I forgot I got this, but I have so many pictures. मुझे physical photos का बहुत शौक है. Like photos also I obviously love, which is why I'm a creator. I've always loved taking pictures and videos and making a lot of memories, so that. But I think I'll put a picture of me and my father in it. So that. Also, I got these pouches, and I think these were also very reasonable. But I'm not going to put stationery in it. I'm going to put makeup brushes in it, so that when I'm traveling, it's convenient. You can obviously put like whatever you want in it, documents as well. And ये शायद था 27 rupees, so not bad. I got this. This is basically a roller brush, and I've seen a lot of YouTube videos in which you can curl your hair just with a hair dryer and this. So I'm going to try that out soon. Again, this was for 190. Not bad, not bad. Then some kitchen cleaning towels. I got a random comb for my mom because I have a Labrador also, guys, and that lab, she likes combs and socks and really random things, and she chews onto them. So I don't think my mom has a comb at the moment, so I got her one. Kitchen towel, a kitchen towel as they say. I think this is for cleaning again, but we can just hang it somewhere because it's like really soft, and yeah, you can use it to dry your hands. Again, 95 rupees for 2. Then I got these. These are eyebrow razors, and these were also actually super reasonable. I also got these face razors. Now आपको 3 मिलेंगे इसमें for 39 rupees, and on Nykaa and even Blinkit and all usually 100 rupees के ऊपर होता है. So yeah, I think that's a steal deal. So got 2. Then I don't know why I got this. I think it's from the kids section, but yeah, you can put your sunglasses in it when you're traveling. 100 rupees, y'all. Very cutesy. Very, very I think because I'm the kind of person who keeps losing sunglasses, which is why I buy cheap sunglasses, so that even if I lose them, it's fine. I also got 2 more of these bowls. They're great because I drink a lot of dal. I drink dal, I eat dal, and I have like 200 grams, so that will fit perfectly into this. I'm so sleepy, or by the time I finish this video, it's gonna be 6 and the sun is gonna be out, and I will have to sit and gather all this pasara and put it back in my bag and then show mom tomorrow. Okay, last few things. I found one more bowl. So in short, I've got like 3 to 4 bowls and 7 rupees. If they had more, I would get more, because when you live with pets, they think that any mat is a pee mat and they pee on it. So I just got this, and the final thing I got was this tray. I put all my food in a tray and I carry it from my microwave to my room. So yeah, a tray is never a bad idea. Multi-purpose bhi hai. Anyway, so that was it, and I feel like I've got a lot of stuff for the amount of money that I've spent. I spent approximately 3,500 on all of this, and it was mom's money. So yeah, we basically paid 3,500. But the same thing, if you were to buy in South Mumbai or even Bandra, it would have easily gone up to 7 to 8,000 rupees. So if you are someone who lives around these areas, or in general if you love Mr. DIY, or if you want to shop for some home stuff, I think Mr. DIY is great, because the quality of the stuff is really nice and it lasts you a long time. And in case if something breaks, it doesn't break your heart because everything is so reasonable. Anyway guys, if you all want me to make more haul videos, I can do that. I am a little bit lazy, but if this video does well, I will definitely make more haul videos. I do shop a lot of clothes, so I can make videos on that. So make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that. And I also post every day from Monday to Friday on Instagram. Make sure you go see that. I'll see you guys in the next one.